Good morning everyone, Aaron here, back for another video today. I hope you're all doing fantastic. As promised, I'm back for a video about the Toyota Supra. So the 2020 Toyota Supra did get announced officially yesterday, Monday, January 14th. So this video is going to be all about that, my thoughts on it, specs, everything we know about it so far. Alright, so like I said in the last video, the Supra is on the same chassis and engine as the 2019 BMW Z4. I said Z5 last video, Z4. That's already been announced, and that is the convertible version. So the Supra is the same chassis, just with the hardtop version. So power comes from a 3-liter turbocharged engine, and this engine is supposed to make 335 horsepower and 360 something torque, which is okay. So the Z4 BMW is able to crank out like 380 something horsepower, so it's interesting how Toyota kind of took down the numbers a little bit. So maybe it is 380 and they're just being conservative, who knows. But it's supposed to hit 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds, which is pretty impressive. The Supra is a 2-seater as opposed to the 4-seater that it was through all the other generations. So that's interesting. But the interior does look nice. It looks like a BMW interior, to be completely honest. It's you know, kind of a BMW parts car. But it does look nice. They have a red interior and a black interior, so they both look pretty good. The seats look pretty comfortable, pretty nice. There's going to be 2 trim models. There's the 3.0 base model and the 3.0 premium model. So the base model comes with actually a surprising amount of tech. I was actually kind of impressed. So keyless entry across the board. It's got the push button start. I think it said Alcantara seats, but not real leather seats. The base model also has a 6-point-something touchscreen in the middle, but the upgrades to the premium bring 8-point-something inch screen, and then on top of that it has Apple CarPlay, which the base model won't have. The premium also upgrades the sound system, so you get a larger, better 12-speaker sound system. You get heated leather seats, which is nice, and then you get a color heads-up display. So you can get a tech package for both. I believe that comes with blind spot monitoring and maybe lane assist, I'm not sure, but I know that pedestrian and other, you know, automatic braking systems, those come standard on both models, which is pretty cool. Then there's also a launch model, which comes out in like only a certain, like 4 certain colors with red mirror caps, and that's limited to the first 1,500, I think, models. So that's kind of cool. But overall, I guess my thoughts, it's okay. The tech is cool inside, I think. The base price is going to be $50 for the base, and then I think it's $54,900. It's about $55,000 for the premium. It's right around what I expected it to be, so that's not a huge surprise. But I don't know, for the performance, I think we should be getting a little bit more than that, but that's just me. So my thoughts overall, it's cool, it's nice. It's not going to live up to the hype of the original Supra at all, but no, really many of us expected it to. People are all kind of up in arms on the Supra forums. I've checked those out. People are, you know, they either love it or hate it. Some people are like, about it, but there's a lot of mixed opinions. I think it's not 100% worth the money, I guess. I mean, you can get a used Camaro or Mustang. I know I talk about those all the time. But you can get a used Camaro or Mustang for like way less, for about, you know, you can get a 2016, 2017 for like used, like 35K, and they have way more horsepower, way more torque. Probably handle a little bit better, but we don't know yet. So I don't really know. It just probably won't be the same performer as those cars. I don't know, at that same price point, you would kind of expect it to almost match what the other cars in that same class are able to kind of do. And I know it's only a 6-cylinder and not, you know, a V8 or anything, but still, I feel like they could have squeezed a little bit more horsepower out of that, but that could just be me. Maybe the handling's phenomenal. The styling is kind of, I don't know, it's cool, but at the same time, it's kind of interesting. The front, it's got a ton of angles. The side, it's got like fake vents on the hood, fake vents on the doors. It's got big like little hips sort of on either side of the rear window. And then the rear is cool. I really like the rear. The taillights are awesome. The center mounted reverse lights is pretty cool. But you know, it's got dual exhaust, which is nice. And in the little clips that they've shown, it sounds pretty cool. But I don't know. I'm a big fan of, I guess, just American muscles. So that's kind of where it lies. But obviously it's Toyota. They have a couple colors coming out: red, yellow, silver, blue, black, this gray, white. But we've only seen like that one sneak peek of the yellow. We've seen a bunch of red, and then a couple of the gray, the special edition gray colors, I think. But overall it's pretty cool. I keep looking into it. The steering wheel is not a racing steering wheel at all, but the interior is alright. The exterior, it looks cool, but like I said, there's some things that are kind of, you know, have me torn both ways. So those are pretty much my thoughts on the Supra. Pretty cool. Let's keep an eye on it. I'm anxious to see some driving reviews and what people online say about it. But for now, it's a pretty good reveal. They also revealed the 2020 Shelby GT500, which is awesome. That thing is going to be awesome to see racing Camaros and Corvette ZR1s and anything like that. It's going to be super cool. But besides that, yeah, those are my thoughts on the Supra. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys love it? Do you guys hate it? Are you guys somewhere in between? But that's all I got for you guys today. Let me know what you think, as I said. But that's going to do it for this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.